2, 1, drop it.
Hey everybody, it's Tyler and we're back for another video. This video is an update to AK Camaro's giveaway. So I know you guys have probably been wondering about what's going to happen with that, such as when it's going to end, what the prizes are going to be, and all that. He has announced his updated version. Now, originally it was just the GoPro, and it was the GoPro Sessions 5 or 6. Either 5 or 6. If there's not a 6, excuse me, if there's not a 6, then it was the 5. It's either the 5 or the 6. Now, it's the GoPro, a 64 gig memory card, and one item from the GoPro store, anything it is, that at least if the price tag is at most $50, he will buy it for you. That is another prize for it. He has not made this official yet. This is not verified or anything. He has just stated that he may or may not throw in a second GoPro for a second winner of the giveaway. And he has also stated in his video that once his channel reaches, like, you know, pretty good, like 2,000, 1,000, 2,000, that area, he really wants to do, he even said he thought it would be kind of fun to do a GoPro giveaway every month. Start the giveaway at the beginning and end it at the end of the month. That's pretty cool. Now, that's it. He just updated it and added better prizes, and he says that as his channel proceeds to get better and the more giveaway, like more interest is shown to the giveaway, the better the prizes are going to be. So it's only going to get better from here. The prizes are going to get bigger and better, and also my odds are getting better apparently, because I got Blue Mustang Guy, aka Mega Gears, aka Jake, to subscribe to AK Camaro and all them. So that gave me an extra, what's it? It's 2. Okay, so it gave me 16. And this video is going to give me another 10, I think. I don't know if it will or not. But I'm pretty sure it's going to give me another 10. So that means I'll have 26 entries in this giveaway. I kind of want it. If you can't tell, I want this GoPro really bad. But that doesn't matter. Who cares about me, right? But anyway, that's his GoPro giveaway. That's the updates, and that's the facts. So, I'm Tyler, and I will see you guys in the next video. So, bye-bye.